Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to find the blocked list on this console. Basically the list of blocked users. First thing we need to do is to open our profile page, and to do it, basically on the home screen find your profile icon and then tap on it to open the profile page. And on the profile page tap on user settings right here and then scroll through this menu and look for the option called blocked list, I believe, or manage blocked list. Oh, here it is, manage blocked user list. And once you find this option, you can tap on it, and here you will have the list of the users that you blocked for any reason you wanted. I don't know. Anyway, if there's any users you blocked, there should be the list here, and you can basically manage it. You can also press Y, and then you can press select, and it will allow you to block the users from your play history. So if you played with somebody and you didn't enjoy playing with them or something like that, you can block them from here. Basically they will be here on the list. You can find them and block them by tapping on them or by selecting them with the controller, of course, and pressing A. And of course, once you're done, you can press the back button and they will appear right here on the list. Okay, and that's how you find the blocked user list on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.